So this is a 2010 15-inch MacBook Pro. Came in with an issue of overheating. So there was so much of junk and dust and so much of debris inside this. We actually dismantled the whole MacBook and we have cleaned it. And it also came in with a problem of intermittent shutdown. Almost been 10 minutes since we kept it on charge. It is up and running. Fans are spinning. There is no overheating or fan spinning, high sound, anything as such. Heatsink temperature is normal. Fan temperature is normal. GPU and CPU temperatures are also normal. So this is where your CPU is on the other side of the board, and this is where your GPU is on the other side of the board. It's been almost 15-20 minutes since it's on. First 2 to 3 minutes itself is enough to make out if the MacBook is heating or if it has any heating issue or something like that. So it's been almost 10-15 minutes. We don't listen to any fan sound, over spinning sound, and we don't have any heating issue. I can feel it. This is the moderate temperature and this is the standard heating temperature which we feel. So there's nothing, absolutely nothing. This is running under normal temperature and normal workload. There's nothing as of now. And even the screen brightness is maximum. So yes, this is fixed. Regular general service. That's all this MacBook needed. This is a 2010 15-inch MacBook Pro. It's fixed, ready for pickup. Thanks for watching.